Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel. It's another day, another plant, and in this video we are going to talk about taro. So this plant you are seeing here is called taro, and it grows and it bears a vegetable, and the name of this vegetable is also taro, and it's a root vegetable similar to potatoes, but unlike potatoes, the taro vegetable belongs to a completely different family instead of the nightshade family, which I have discussed previously. And this plant also looks interesting as well. Like, look here, the leaves, in my opinion, somewhat reminds me of like lily pads, but more elongated, like more oval shaped. The taro plant is also very popular when it comes to desserts, and it is eaten in many parts of southern region of South and Southeastern Asia. However, it is eaten in the form of dessert in Europe and the Americas. However, it is not a fruit. In that sense, it does not have a sweet taste. It is being enhanced using certain additives like sugar and vice versa. However, this plant, I'm talking about the vegetable. So that vegetable is also eaten in a few ways. It can either be cooked, it can either be added in sweets, or it can be boiled and eaten. However, it contains calcium oxalate, which is like it's a type of irritant. When you look at a calcium oxalate crystal, it looks like needles, and it is the main culprit behind sore throats. Like, when you eat taro, there's a chance of getting sore throat because of calcium oxalates. These burn down the throat on the inside, and it can also cause sore throat, and it's not like, it's very irritating, it's not fun, it's painful. Like, it gives the sensation of itchy throat as well. So this is one downside. And the plant also contains calcium oxalate as well. So in short, both of these contain calcium oxalates, and no matter how much you cook it, how well you cook it, they will still remain. And I grew up eating taro. However, the way in which I have eaten taro is completely different in the way I see how taro is eaten worldwide. I usually eat it in the form of curries, and it is eaten in the form of curries in like South Asia and Southeast Asia. And when I saw that it's been used in many desserts, I said, hey, that sounds odd. However, it is also used as a dessert as well. And there is also an important consideration when it comes to plants, because this plant can also be dangerous if not handled properly. So this is another interesting plant being explained in another day of my channel, where, like, for the past few weeks I've been focusing on plants. However, on the next few days I will also focus on plants until I run out of ideas on which plants to make video of. And in this video I discussed about this taro plant, and in the previous video I discussed about aloe vera, and previously lemon tree, and also the first plant related video, which is about eggplants. So each of these plants look interesting and also distinct from one another. And that's about it. If you like my content, and if you are interested in seeing more plant related videos in the future, then follow for more.